day, Sir, Madam. I'm Jocelyn Vinoya, 42 years old. I'm married. I have 2 kids, 19 years old girl and 12 years old girl. I'm high school graduate. My hobbies is reading, writing, and listening music. I work in Hong Kong for almost 5 years and 3 months. And I have experience to take care of toddler kids, bring them and pick up them from the school, do marketing, ironing clothes, washing dishes, cleaning the house, and any daily household chores. And I can go to market by myself. And I know how to cook simple Chinese food like steamed fish, fried noodles, and Chinese soup. And I also work in Qatar. I serve 5 members of the family. My experience is cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, washing car, and any daily household chores. I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money and support my family. If you choose me, Sir, Madam, I promise to finish my contract with you. I'm honest, loyal, and hardworking. Please choose me, Sir, Madam. See you in Hong Kong. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.